hydrangeas only first. And your lemon leaf. Are you ready?
Should we prep the roses first?
What?
Prep the roses as well?
Yeah, clean everything first. Here, it's too hard to do it later. Here, my dear.
I thought you need 4 hands.
Clean all this.
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that.
Clean everything first. Start over.
Gotta do our roses.
Clean all your flowers first. Did you get your? You're good to know. Remember, it's 6 hydrangeas surrounded by some lemon leaves. It's the first day at Atlanta School of Flower Design. We're at English Math. You're off to a great start. Ooh, that's good. Tuck that one in a little bit and you'll be perfect. There you go.
Let's see, I think I need cardboard.
Don't forget your lemon leaf.
Okay, I forgot what I'm supposed to do with it. I mean, I know when.
Tuck it underneath when you get going.
So just all we're doing is.